Behind me is a pine tree that years ago the top snapped off, damaging my septic system's diverter box. Today, I get my revenge with the Temu chainsaw. Cue the music.
You'll always win. Rain may fall, but fire's coming to scorch your wooden skin. Roots may run, but blade is sharp. I'll make the final call. Tonight you follow pine, tonight you lose it all. Stand so tall, so smug, so sure you think you'll always win. Rain may fall, but fire's coming to scorch your wooden skin. Roots may run, but blade is sharp. I'll make the final call. Tonight you follow pine, tonight you lose it all. So smug, so sure you think you'll always win. Rain may fall, but fire's coming to scorch your wooden skin. Rain may fall, but fire's coming to scorch your wooden skin. Rain may fall, but fire's coming to scorch your wooden skin. Knocking birds, you told your tale, now I see your game. If it's war you wanted, friend, then war you shall obtain. Tired of your wooden smile, tired of the game. Tonight's the night I set things right, you won't forget my name. Swing of steel tonight will set my spirit free. Stars above, they bear witness to my fight, my bitter quest. Pine tree tremble with each job, it's time for your final rest. Tonight you lose it all.
that might be the limit, what this thing can do. Let's try something else. I'm not playing around anymore. This is the Stihl MS500i. Fuel injected. Best saw you can buy. If you disagree, argue with me in the comment section.
Shall fall, nature's wrath echoes call. Epic strife, the land shall quake. Life and death, the reaper waits. Axe will sing to rhythm loud. Iron bites, my vow is proud. Shadows flee, night's curse is done. Daylight breaks, I've overcome.
Fatality.